Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on OPPO Find N2 Flip. To do this, you will need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find an app called NotifyBuddy. And install it. When it's ready, click on the Open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled like a default. And if you have any issues with the app, go back and disable it. Now let's proceed. And from here you can start using your app. There's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and the Settings. In User you can pick and enable any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System there's all system-bound apps. In Active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape or a placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button and you can see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.